Hey, LinkedIn headline for students. I had someone come to my TikTok. I posted a video on TikTok and she asked a question about headline. So the question is, how do I put my headline? I study business administration in National Open University, and I don't know how to make my headline, optimize my headline. So this video is for you if you're a student, if you're still in school, or if you're a recent graduate, or if you're someone who is struggling to understand what formula to use to create a well-optimized headline. So this video is for you. Research has shown that every 60 seconds, seven people lands a job through LinkedIn. Yet, only 20% of LinkedIn users have an optimized headline. I guess you want to be part of the 20% at the end of watching this video. If you're a student, a recent graduate with minimum experience, you might be unsure about how or what to mention in your LinkedIn headline. Don't worry much. I'm going to help you with a formula that I have created for you to create your well-optimized headline with examples so you can increase your visibility and land opportunities on LinkedIn. An effective and well-optimized LinkedIn headline can greatly boost the number of views you get on your LinkedIn profile. It means if people keep clicking on your profile, there's a high chance that you could land yourself an internship role if that's what you're looking for, or an interview, as the case may be. Because the more profile visits you get, the more your chances of getting one recruiter landing on your profile, or two, or three, or 10. Who knows? And you can also get people who are interested in collaborating with you via your LinkedIn profile. And this takes just 5 minutes if you're keen about it. Okay? It takes just 5 minutes to significantly change your LinkedIn to make it optimized for search engine optimization on LinkedIn. So if you're new to LinkedIn and you've just created a LinkedIn profile. So for instance, I just jumped on LinkedIn for the first time and I created a profile and I've updated everywhere, my skill set, my education, my volunteering role. I've done everything and I did not take my time to create a headline for my LinkedIn. You know what will happen to my LinkedIn? LinkedIn will give me a hand with that. LinkedIn will help me create a headline. LinkedIn will put my university as my headline. It could be, I'm still a student in Niger Delta University, so LinkedIn will put my headline to read student Niger Delta University. We don't want that to happen. If you're showing up on LinkedIn as student of your university, you're probably just occupying space on LinkedIn. You don't want to use the app, the social media app, to get an opportunity. So this is your wake-up call to have a well-optimized LinkedIn headline. And I'm going to be brainstorming with you to teach you how you can use my formula or these formulas I've come up with in 4 different steps to help you do create a well-optimized LinkedIn formula. So let's just get started. And the first thing you want to do is to state your current status, like your current position. So where are you in your journey? What are you? Are you a recent graduate or you're still in school, active in school? Are you in marketing? You're majored in marketing, or you're in fine and applied art and you're majored in design, or you're in accounting and of course you're majored in accounting, or you're an engineering faculty and you're majored in software engineering. So that's your keyword. Where are you? So you need to analyze, write it down, sit down. Where am I actually in my links in my journey? And write it down. Find a keyword that represents where you are and put it on a piece of paper and write it down because we are forming your LinkedIn headline in 4 steps. So this is the first one. What is your current status? Write out your current status, state it, write it down so we know where you are. That's the first place. The second thing you want to do is highlight your relevant skill. Everybody has a skill. What is relevant to you? So if you don't know, say for instance, you are interested in working in an FMCG company after you graduate. FMCG to mean fast moving consumer goods, sorry, and you want to work with them as a marketing personnel, a representative, or a content marketer. For you to know what keyword the recruiters of that sector will be looking for, you have to go and do a research and check out what keywords they're looking for when you're looking to employ or recruit a new content marketer. So go do your research and find relevant skills in your choice of industry, of choice of field, and write it down. Write 2 to 3 keywords because you're trying to form your headline. So write 2 to 3 keywords that you can see and just keep it down as your relevant skill. If you don't have the skill right now, do not worry. The reason why you're doing this thing, this research and optimizing is not because you have it all figured out, because you're going to have it. It's work in progress. So whether you have it now or not, write it down because you will have it, okay? The third thing you want to do, my third formula to you is to express your career aspirations. So what is that thing you like so much? What are you looking for? What are you out there to look out for? If you jump on LinkedIn today, what are you there for? What are you looking for? So, what career aspirations do you have? So, for instance, you can use words like aspiring to differentiate you. You can use words like seeking opportunities in a particular industry or area. But I beg you, be specific when you're looking for an internship. So, for instance, you're looking for a marketing internship with a particular company. So, you could put things like seeking opportunities in an FMCG company. Yeah, that's your career aspiration. You want an internship with an FMCG company. So write it down, and that's your number 3 formula. Express your career aspiration. Write it down. What do you want to do? Write it down. The fourth and final thing I'll share with you, it's not so difficult. These formulas are not difficult. It's not x minus 1 equals to y. Look for x. No, we're not looking for x here. It's you, it's what you have already. I'm sure you don't know that you're so powerful until you start writing these things down. The final formula is to add a personal touch to it, to what you've written. So that's the final step. Your unique value, your unique selling point. What is that thing that differentiates you from Sikira? What is that thing that differentiates you from Ben? That thing that differentiates you from the Prime Minister? What is that thing that differentiates you from everybody around you? That's your unique value. What's that unique thing that stands you out? It could be, say, I'm in school studying marketing and I'm keen about digital marketing. That's my interest. I'm majored in marketing and I currently provide content marketer for my school magazine. I'm passionate about creating content, so I'm offering volunteering service, creating content for my school magazine. So what I'll have as my headline in this regard would be passionate digital marketer slash marketing major. This is my field of study. I'm still in school, remember? And what I'm doing, my unique value, my proposition is content marketer for school magazine. So if you have the name of the school or the name of the magazine you're contributing to, put it down there as your keyword. So those are the 4 examples for 4 formulas that will help you have a well optimized LinkedIn headline. I bet you if you did not get it the first time, feel free to rewind this video, write it down, rewind, watch again, and write it down and start creating your headline in this regards. The first one, again, in summary, your current status, your relevant skill, number 2, your career aspirations, number 3, and your personal touch, which is your unique value. I have some examples I'm going to share with you that can help you also create a perfect, not a perfect, create a well optimized headline. So for instance, I am in school studying computer science and I want to be a software engineer when I finish from school studying computer science and I am skilled in Power BI. That's my skill, my value. So my headline on LinkedIn will read something like this: computer science student slash aspiring software engineer slash skilled in Power BI. It's that simple. So I have my school, my course of study, I have my interest, and I have my value. So these 3 things, add them together to make your LinkedIn headline. I have another example to share with you. So for instance, I'm a Niger Delta University and I'm majored in marketing and I want to be a future content marketer. And I'm seeking internship currently in digital marketing because we have a period of in school where we have to leave school and do internship. So I want to get an opportunity before that time comes. So I'm currently seeking internship opportunities in digital marketing. My LinkedIn headline will read something like this: marketing major at Niger Delta University, future content marketer, seeking in slash All of these things. Okay, let's take it again. Marketing major at Niger Delta University slash future content marketer slash seeking internship in digital marketing. So that's my LinkedIn headline. Then I have another headline for you, another LinkedIn headline for you. Example, say you're a graduate, you study history, and you're keen about researching into the Roman Empire times now after the death of Christ, and you're passionate about public history. So your LinkedIn headline will read something like this: History graduate student slash researching the Roman Empire times AD slash passionate about public history. I don't know what job you're going to get as a historian because I don't know, but there are lots of historian jobs. I might not be privy to it, but there are lots of jobs in that sector. So if you're that person, thumbs up. Yeah. So another example, which is my last example for you today, would be someone in National Open University who is studying business administration with the National Open University and currently building skill in finance and actively looking for an entry level role. Yeah, so this person is going to graduate very soon. So the person is positioning herself already to get an entry level job before they leave school. So their LinkedIn headline will read something like this: Business admin student at National Open University slash building skills in finance. That's your interests slash actively seeking entry level roles. So people in the financial space, fintech industry will find you because you have indicated your interest and you have told them you're looking for a role. That's what you want, right? So, yeah. So those are the examples I have for you today. Feel free to rewind this video and check out the examples so you know what you're doing. And my tip for you today would be keep it short, keep it concise, and make it impactful. Keep your word count under 220 words and keep it short, impactful, and concise. Number two tip would be use a mixture of keywords and phrases that is relevant to your field. But this time, before you graduate, be sure to find out the keywords that your industry people are using. Go check them out. It's not going to cost you anything. Check them out. I didn't do that before I graduated. So if you don't want to get any job, you want to be intentional about your job search, you start from school and start checking out the industry and see what you're looking for so that you can be ready. Use a keyword and add it to your LinkedIn headline or even your LinkedIn about. Who knows? Number three tip I have for you: don't be afraid to update your LinkedIn headline. As you gain new skills, as you gain new experience, go back to your LinkedIn and update it. Don't be worried about what people will say because they're not going to help you get a job. And even if they do help you get a job, you still owe it to yourself to stay relevant and update your LinkedIn headline. Your LinkedIn headline is not the constitution, it can change. Your LinkedIn headline is not among the 10 commandments, so be ready to change it. It is yours. Make it interesting, add some personalities to it, and change it. As you improve in your skills, with your experience, go back and update your LinkedIn headline. Okay? My final tip for you today is to review job descriptions. Nobody told me this when I finished school before I graduated. Maybe somebody did and I did not hear. But if I heard, I'll probably will remember. Review job descriptions while you're in school, like you're graduating, even after you've graduated. Review job description to identify relevant keywords and skill. The only way to get prepared for a job you want to work in is to know what skills you're looking for. You have to do that for yourself. You owe it to yourself to be ready for the job market. Review the job description and review the keywords you use when you're looking for certain kind of people in the company. And you'll be wondering, how do I do that? Go on the company's website. You love them so much. Go check them out. Checking people's website is free. Or go on LinkedIn and look for jobs and look for companies searching for a particular job role. Search until you find the keyword that they use when recruiters are posting for jobs. Search until you find it. Okay, and if you cannot manage, ask for help. If you need help with doing your LinkedIn, you're just starting, you're fresh, or you've been on LinkedIn, you're not optimized, I have a LinkedIn checklist that you can download. It's free. It will help you do LinkedIn differently and help you get started with LinkedIn. There are examples in my PDF that can help you create a profile, a LinkedIn headline easily, and a profile generally on LinkedIn. Finally, when you combine your current position, your current status, your relevant skills, and your future aspirations, you can create a LinkedIn headline that effectively communicates your value and potential and connects you to potential recruiters and other professionals. If I see you on LinkedIn and you're well optimized and you're in school, I will want to send you a DM. If you like this video today, leave a like, please, and comment. Tell me where you are in your LinkedIn journey and what you're doing differently. What is helping you stand out so people can learn from you, and so we can learn from you, yes, and tell me what you can add to this. What can you add? What tip can you add so somebody can adopt it to their LinkedIn headline, especially those in school or graduating soon. And do not forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. Connect with me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.